Hello, welcome to lesson number two. Lesson number two introduces what I would call the ethical thinking process or the reasoning process within ethics. In many fields, this might be called could be compared similarly to a problem-solving process, although I think that's a bit of a stretch. Chapter 2 is, as you have learned already, our chapters are relatively short in comparison, but they do include really important information. So if you catch yourself reading the chapters and you get to the end of the chapter and you're really not sure what you may have read, that's a sure sign to go back and read again. And you may want to take out my lesson notes and assignments, and especially the outline, and look at the outline as you read and make some connections in that way. This is the last general or generic lesson we'll be having. Lesson 1 and Lesson 2 somewhat generic. Lesson 3 jumps into specific ethical issues, but Lesson 1 and this lesson, lesson number 2, provides a good foundation. Make sure to read that chapter 2 from your textbook. I have included multiple videos in this lesson. The first video highlighting J. Robert Oppenheimer. If any of you are interested in the history of the atomic bomb and development of atomic fusion and those type of things during the 1940s and later into the 50s, Oppenheimer is considered the father of the atomic bomb. And he later called himself the angel of death, or the father of death, due to the ethical concerns he had leading the project that created the atomic bomb, and thus the death of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of individuals. And he himself trying to work through the ethical quandaries of personhood, war, us versus they, and the role of science in ethics, and the importance of ethical controls within the scientific community. There are 3 other videos, not as heavy, listed from the TED Talks. Talks about moral codes, and a sense of morality, what morality is, as well as Peter Singer, who is considered one of the most foremost philosophers and ethicists of our day, who currently teaches. A recent video from 2013 I will ask you to watch. We have a discussion board, of course, Lesson 2 discussion board, asking you to share your own definitions of tolerance and being open-minded. And what I hope we can do is help each other better clarify and provide intentional definitions for what tolerance and open-minded means. And I will attempt to collect the information that's being presented in the discussion boards and chart that out for everybody in the coming lessons so we can have a better sense of what those terms mean. We have a lesson number 2, quiz number 2 in Blackboard. Make sure to, again, complete the quiz. It's open book. You have 30 minutes to complete it, though. Do not click on the quiz until you're ready to take the quiz. Extremely important. We have a lesson 2 journal, which again gives you the final opportunity to identify your ethical concern or problem you want to work on in this lesson. You need to make sure that you complete and submit that topic, and start thinking about, related to the ethical concern topic, what goals and objectives do you want to work towards related to that topic. So at the end of the semester, when you have chosen topic X, what else do you want to have achieved related to that topic? Again, thank you for your help and participation, and let me know if you have questions. Take care.